here for coming here. Today I am going to give you some speech about Eid. Eid is the religion festival of Islam. Eid celebrated after the month of Ramzan. During Ramzan, we didn't eat or drink anything throughout the day. We broke it in the evening time with our families and we eat it deliciously. On Eid day, we eat delicious food and we go to pray namaz in Idgahs and mosques. On Eid day, the mosques are decorated very well, and on Eid day, it is a beautiful day for us Muslims. In India, it is celebrated in other worldwide countries. In the name of Allah, the most crescent, the most merciful, all praise and thank belongs Allah, who almost his millions of creation wonder us, the Asraful Makhlukat. This is the not best of all creations that Allah has said in his holy book Al-Quran, Suratul Imran, para number 18. Inna deenal innallahil Islam. Indeed, Islam is the religion before Allah. Islam is the way of Allah. And if you want to count Allah's blessings, you could never stop counting Allah's blessings because Allah's blessings are endless. That's why I want to say you that you never can't count Allah's blessings. Thank you and have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.